This is our Diet Coke and Mentos reaction. So I have 2 bottles of Diet Coke and I have 14 Mentos. So 7 of them I'm going to use in the first one intact, and then I'm going to use the broken up pieces in the second one just to see if we can get sort of what our reaction will look like. You can just use a roll of paper and tape to sort of attach to the top to do this, but I also have this like Geyser Steve Spangler thing that I got from a student. So we're gonna try it with this and see what happens in both situations. All right, here we go. So I've loaded this up with the 7. It holds 7, but again, you can just use a piece of paper or tape that will stick to the top, but why not use this? We'll see what happens. And I'm gonna open the bottle. I'm gonna open it right in your bed to do it, and probably room temperature is better. Alright, and this one just screws right in. Stand back. Alright, are you ready? I'm going to say 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! And the little plug came out the side a little bit, so we got a little side explosion too. Is that fun? Want to do it one more time?
Yeah.
All right. All right, here's our next trial. So I filled this up with the pieces. I had to do one solid one at the bottom or else they would have fallen through the holes. So this little thing just holds them in place. I'm gonna try to pull it out this time and not the whole way so it doesn't squirt out the side. So we'll see if it reacts any differently when they're in pieces versus whole, and then we'll talk about why it's even happening in the first place. All right, moved it over a little bit so I'd spray my neighbor's shed a little less. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Whoop. Oh, that one wasn't as fun. It's still going though, but really slowly. Oh, it looks like it's gonna start again. I think that's it. So what's happening in this reaction, it's actually not a chemical reaction, it's just a physical change. And so there's lots of carbonated, this beverage, is carbonated, which means that it's got carbon dioxide pumped in under pressure. And so when you leave it out, a lot of the carbon dioxide gas will try to escape. So sometimes it sits in the little top part of the bottle and it can dissolve in and it can come out, and that's an equilibrium. But what happens is when you bring things like sugar inside, pieces of sugar have what they call nucleation sites, which are tiny little like pits that allow the carbon dioxide to flow through them and to escape. So the outside of a Mentos, I don't know if you can see it that well, is where all the pits are, and it's more like a mint. But the inside, when I cut the pieces open, is more like a candy, and so it's squishier and gummier, and it won't have the same nucleation sites. So even though we think from rates of reaction that when we cut things into smaller pieces they should react faster, because we're sort of exposing less nucleation site now, we're exposing things that don't allow that carbon dioxide gas to flow, it's slowing down the process. So there's actually took a while for them all to react with the gas.
I wish we can do that again. That was so fun.
Yeah. So that's sort of what you can do with Diet Coke and Mentos. So we're just creating that carbon dioxide, and now I need to go clean up my backyard. Hope you liked it.